recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today, we're going to show you how to make a butterfly using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with a square piece of paper and fold it in half horizontally, vertically, and diagonally on all sides to create creases. Then, unfold it. Step 2. Fold the paper into a triangle. Step 3. Now, fold each side of the triangle upward so that they meet at the tip of the triangle. Step 4. Fold the tip of the triangle enough that it overlaps the base. Step 5. Fold the tip into the base to make it hold. Step 6. Fold it in half as such. And there you have it, an elegant butterfly origami. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!